Here's what we have right now on the East Bay shoreline. Just some haze left over from some of that fog, but that thicker marine layer is helping out, and that cooler winds onshore that will be the case throughout much of the weekend. Heading up to Tahoe, this is what we're looking at. Back to the 80s, it looks like, as we get into early next week, keeping it sunny through the period there. And our drought monitor, what's the progress thus far? We can do better than that. Come on, we had a tropical system over the weekend. There we go. Cleared up the state pretty nicely now. Just about all the state is out of drought territory. In fact, we're only abnormal in around the river and far up towards the north. So what can you thank for this nice break in the heat? This guy right here helping to thicken up that marine layer. Also the onshore winds. So expect that program into the weekend. And then next week we do change with that high retrograding. And getting into the weekend though, looking nice. We get nice blocking action here. That high is just waiting for its moment to shine. Not too much goes over the weekend. However, it's by the middle of the week, things start to get interesting with that said high. So we can kind of see the footprints here on Futurecast 4. There's that low, continue to do its nice job. Nice trooper here, as you can see. Then there's a change happening into next week. The flow pattern goes up and around us as that high has its moment in the sun, if you will. Not very long, though. According to this model run, nice quick breakdown. Here comes that thicker marine layer. Down go the temperatures heading into next weekend rather. Now, we don't know if this is the scenario that's going to play out, but this is just at least one run. But it looks like another spike happening for us the middle of the week. 69 in San Francisco today. Got a lot of 60s along the coast with an 80 or so for Burlingame. To the south, we'll do about 79 Foster City, 82 Redwood City, Palo Alto, about 80 in the South Bay. We're into lower, maybe middle 80s at work here. Morgan Hill at 89, 86 Los Gatos. East Bay shoreline, upper 70s. We've got 80s covering a good section here of Tri-Valley, 88 Walnut Creek and Danville, also Concord, 74 Berkeley, Vallejo 72, 87 for Fairfield, Napa at 80, and about an 83 for Santa Rosa. 70 forecast, here you have it. Here's the spike that happens by Wednesday at 99, backing down again, it looks like, as we get to the weekend. This is the thinking that next weekend we'll get back to more moderate temperatures there, and even getting cooler along the coast too.